A quick follow-up on the 1985 CJ7 Barn Find that I acquired a few months back. I just put some new BFGs on it, KO2s, mounted them on some OEM Laredo chrome wheels. I think it looks outstanding. Had to take this thing out today. It's beautiful here. It was around 70 degrees in southern Wisconsin after a long winter, and this thing absolutely purrs. Drives down the road 60 miles an hour, no issues. Put on probably 25 of those 14,000 miles today, but this thing is the nicest driving CJ that I have ever personally owned. Drives right down the road, like I said, 60 miles an hour, purrs like a kitten. I took the carpet out of the back here. I'm going to take the carpet out of the whole thing, and then my next project is to detail it. I'm probably going to do, just to get to a starting point, dry ice underneath and in the engine bay. I want to take this to car shows around southern Wisconsin this summer. So absolutely loving this thing so far. So I just want to give a quick update.